We got two Arctic weather fronts making a move in our direction. First of all, sunrise tomorrow. It's a quick day, 7:18, and sunset at 4:33. The fronts and weather are on the move. We got two powerful jet streams driving across the nation now. This weather front is going to be here by tomorrow afternoon, and behind it, dramatically colder weather. Temperatures have been dropping 25 to 30 degrees in very, very short periods of time across the Midwest, like in an hour and a half. Bingo, like a rock. And this very cold air mass will sail in here tomorrow, and it may have enough zing to it to produce a few snow flurries as it comes through. We get a few snow flurries, especially north and west of town, maybe a little dusting, just in time for Christmas Eve. That's cold front number one, and you can see the clouds making a motion here now. The clouds that are just over us are going to head out to sea. That was part of a weak weather front here today. The stronger cold front coming in from the Midwest tomorrow. Then the radar indicates that we've got lots of precip down over the southeast. Most of that's going to remain down here, but these lake effect snow showers and snow squalls are going to be building as the cold air comes across the Great Lakes. We call these open Great Lakes right now because they're not frozen. We haven't had enough cold weather to do it. So that cold air hits the warm water, and bingo, the snow squalls develop. And right on cue, there they will be. A lot of snow in places like Buffalo and Rochester, all happening tomorrow. And some of that will blow down wind, and I think we're going to get some snow flurries and maybe even a snow squall when that colder air hits. That's front number one. Cold front number two, with an even stronger shot of Arctic air, will be coming in on Saturday. Also a chance of some flurries here, or a snow shower Friday night and Saturday. So whatever Santa brings you, like a scarf, like some gloves, like a warm sweater, you're going to be wearing all of them. I'm telling you, immediately. Temperatures, well, this is just where we start. In the 30s overnight, upper 20s, nothing. I mean, this is like a little mild weather pattern for us. High tomorrow is in the morning. Then they start to drop, those temperatures do, into the afternoon, 27. Tomorrow night, we go into the teens, single numbers in the burbs, and with winds at 35, 40 miles an hour, we have very significant wind chills below zero. So we're going to get into some majorly cold here. And look at the snow flurries, you see? Possible tomorrow, also again on Friday, even on Saturday. Flurries, snow showers here and there. It's going to be a very cold Christmas, but a beautiful one. It'll be crystal clear for midnight mass, I think, tomorrow night. So that sounds good. Is here. Beautiful Rockefeller Center in the tree. And just a quick reminder from Mike Johnson in our graphics department, Santa Claus definitely coming to town, no question about it, coming up over the North Pole. And I can tell you now that you want to make sure you put something nice and warm out for Santa tonight. Maybe a little warm milk and cookies, huh? Make sure. Take care of the old guy. He's going to need some help tonight. It's bitterly cold. 18 degrees in Midtown. The humidity at 43%. The dew point's 1 below. Oh, yeah. And the winds are northwest at 9. We sell at 2 below, by the way. A wind chill factor is +2. The barometer 30.50. On the way up, strong barometric pressure, cold high pressure on top of us. And there he is. There's that little reminder for St. Nick. He's going to make it with the Teflon sled and all. Hey, you don't need snow. He can land. Let me tell you, it's no problem. High tech and etc. Let's move on to the satellite picture and let me show you now. First of all, we've got a 40-degree split today. The 40 high, that was early. And then that sharp drop in temperature down to 19 this afternoon with a trace of snow. On we go. Sunrise 7:18, sundown at 4:34. The days are beginning to get a little bit longer. It's tough. It's a slow pull back, at this time of the year, but we're getting there. The satellite picture shows another Arctic cold front on the move. We had one blow through here earlier today. That's out to sea. You can see the wind. It's really an interesting sort of shadow off the east coast of these clouds because the cold air hitting the warm Gulf Stream waters, and these clouds pop up, and you can just see almost the exact parallel here to the coastline in a cloud formation. Rather interesting how that develops. All right, let me call your attention to this cloud mass over the upper Midwest, because this guy is another shot of very cold air coming down for late tomorrow night, and it may produce a few snow squalls here as it comes zipping through the area late tomorrow and tomorrow night. So there may be a little touch of dusting of snow around here for Friday night, and then it's going to all blow out of town for the weekend. Radar shows some of the snow showers developing over parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin. The rest of the country, man, it's clean and green. They got all the snow they need in the Rockies, so they're having a fine time shushing out there. And there's a pretty healthy amount of snow up in New England, too, man-made in most part. On to the map tomorrow. Look at this. Here's that cold front, the next wave of Arctic air to reinforce what we have now. So we're not going to lose the big chill for at least the next 3 to 5 days. The front comes through late tomorrow and tomorrow night with a chance of some snow showers and snow squalls. Then it gets out of here by, Saturday morning. Temperatures tonight are going to be mighty cold, down to close to the single numbers, 10 above in some of the outlying areas, the upper teens here in the city, and the winds gradually subsiding, so the wind chill will abate, thank goodness. And the rest of our forecast shows up this way: 28 to 35 for a high tomorrow, a little bit of sun in the morning tomorrow. Clouds develop in the afternoon with that cold front pressing in, a chance of snow showers or even a heavier snow squall late tomorrow. And our 5-day forecast, yes indeed. Saturday, partly sunny, very cold, maybe a quick flurry, and Sunday and Monday, bitterly cold, highs in the 20s with a lot of sunshine. Once again, just happy holidays to everyone. You too, folks. Thank you.
Happy holidays to you.
Thank you. Thank you. You bet.
Amid today's holiday cheer, we do have some sad news tonight. Pierre Cuifort, the creator of